Hey guys, today we're going to do 9.7, okay? So today we are going to do one more or one less. We have to look at the number and try to figure it out. So sometimes it's easier to count on with one more and sometimes it's harder to count with one less going backwards. So you guys can get a tens frame and you guys can use a marker or you can use counters. So you can even have a blank piece of paper if you wanted to. I'll show you the different ways that you can try to do this. All right, so we're going to look at the first one, and this is 6. So we want one less. So what we can do is we can put on 6 counters if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let me turn that guy over. All right, so we have 6 counters. So we want one less. So we're going to take 1 away. How many do we have left? We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 less is 5, and that's a down and around and give it a half. So now we have 1 less. Now you can do it with the tens frame, or you can even do it with your picture, with your marker or your pen, paper. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 there. Now, if you're using a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, you can go ahead and erase 1, and that should leave you 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you're just on a regular piece of paper, you can go ahead and cross 1 off. It doesn't matter which one to cross off. I'm going to cross off this one. So you cross 1 off. How many are left that are not crossed off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can do it 3 different ways. You can even do it on your fingers if you wanted to. And you could put up 6 fingers and take 1 away, and then you still have 5. So you can do it that way. So there's 4 different ways that you guys can do this. So let's go ahead and do number 7, okay? And we want 1 more, okay? So you can do it by how we count. Oh, this is kind of funny. Look at this. 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8. So you can make your S and come back home. That's kind of funny how that all lined up, didn't it? Okay, but if you can't do it that way, go ahead and go to your tens frame, okay? So right now I have 5, 6, 7. Now I have 7 counters, okay? I'm going to get rid of this down here because we don't need that anymore. All right, so now we have 7 counters. You want 1 more. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 more. Now you can count how many you have. 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted it the faster way, but if you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you still get 8. 8 is 1 more than 7. Or you can go ahead and draw your dots. So let's start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we need 1 more. So I'm going to do 1 more. Now you can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you will still get 8. You can even put it on your fingers. Put 7 on your fingers, get 1 more, and it would be 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 3. What is 1 less than 3? What is 1 less? Well, if we have 3 counters, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 here. And then let's go ahead and get rid of all these and just put 3 on there. All right. So on our tens frame, we have 3. We want 1 less. I'm going to take 1 away. That leaves 2. Now with our dots, we have 3. You can either cross it off, which leaves 2, or you can erase it, which leaves 2. So 1 less is 2. So you're going to curve around and go to the right. All right, let's look at this one, number 5. What's 1 more than 5? Think about counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want 1 more, which is 6 when we're counting. Oh my gosh, look, it matches. So we need 1 more. So we're going to slant on down and give it a curl. Okay, so if you can do it that way, that's great. If you can't do it that way, let's go ahead and do it with our tens frame. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5. We want 1 more. So I'm going to put 1 more on there. It doesn't matter where it goes. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's good that way. Or you can do it with your pictures. I already have 2. So let's go 3, 4, 5. All right, we want 1 more. So I'm going to put that right there. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. Or you can do it on your hands. Put up 5, put up 1 more. That should give you 6. All right, let's go ahead and do 8. What's 1 more than 8? How do we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more is 9. So we're going to make a circle and come straight down. So you could do it by counting if you want to. If you can't do it that way, let's go to our tens frame. So right now we have 6, 7, 8, because we want to know one more than 8. So I put 8 on there. So one more, let's go ahead and put it on there, is 9. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you could even do it with your dots. So we have 6 dots there, but we want 8. 6. So there's 7, and now here's 8. All right, we want one more. So I'm going to draw one more dot on there. Let's go ahead and count it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one more is 9. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. We want one less. So we're going to go backwards again. So we're going to count backwards. So, I wonder what would go there. Well, let's go to our picture. Let's go ahead and erase this because we don't need that anymore. All right, we want 4 counters. Okay, so let's get only 4 on there. Let's take everything else off. Alrighty, so now we have 4. We want one less. So I'm going to take 1 away because it's less. So that's 1, 2, 3 left. So in our box, we're going to write a 3 halfway around and around again. So 3 is 1 less than 4. And you can also do it with your pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to cross 1 off or erase 1. So 1 less. And that's 1, 2, 3. All right, so now I want you to go ahead and try the next few, all right, all by yourselves. I want you to try it. So I want you to try this one right now. So go ahead and give me 1 less. And then I want you to go to this one and do 1 more. Then I want you to come over here and do 1 less. All right, I'm going to give you a few seconds to go ahead and do those ones, and then I'll help you to see if you got them right. Go ahead. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and work on those 3 together. Okay, so we're going to get 1 less. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just do my tens frames, okay? So let's see, I need 9, so I need 1 less. So let me get 9. And we know that's all of them almost filled up except for 1, right? Because in a tens frame, we need 10. So there's 9. We want 1 less. I'm going to take that one away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. So we're going to make an S and go back home. And look at how we count. 8, 9. All right, let's go ahead and do 6. Okay, 6. What's 1 more? 1 more. All right, so I'm going to put 6 on my tens frame. So here we go. Now we have 5 and 6. We want 1 more. So I'm going to put 1 more. Let's count it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to go ahead and put a 7. Slide to the right and slant on down. All right, let's do this one right here. Okay, so 5. We want 1 less. We're going to take it away. So let me go ahead and get 5 on my tens frame because that's what it said. Now we're going to take away 1. Let's get rid of that one. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that box, we're going to put a 4 down and right and cut in 2. So that is 4. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, now this one, these 3 here, I want you to try those ones. This one is less, 1 less. This one is 1 more. And this one is 1 less. So I want you to get 1 less, 1 more, 1 less. I want you to try it. I'll give you a few seconds. Go ahead. Okay, guys, let's see if you can do it. Okay, so we're going to get 1 less than 7. Again, I'm just going to use my tens frame. So there's 7. And so right now we only have 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I have 7. We want 1 less. So I'm going to take 1 away. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in that box, I'm going to put a 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. So that is 6. Okay, 1 less is 6. All right, now we need 1 more from 4. So on my tens frame, I'm going to get 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want 1 more, so I'm going to put 1 back. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go ahead and put that there. And you guys know when you're counting, it's 4, 5, right? Okay, so now we're going to do 8 and get 1 less. So we're going to take 1 away. So on my tens frame, I have 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to take 1 away. So I'm going to take away this one. All right, let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is 1 less than 8. So I'm going to put 7 there. And see, look, counting 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and I'm going to have you guys try this one. You need 1 less, 1 more, 1 more, 1 less, 1 more, 1 more. I'm going to go ahead and give you a few seconds to figure that out, and then I'll help you. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. All right, so we're going to get 1 less than 2. So once again, tens frame, going to take off that. We only need 2 on our tens frame. So here we go. 1, 2. We want 1 less. So I'm going to take 1 away, and then we have 1 left. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 in our box. All right, so 1 is 1 less than 2. So here we go. Let's do 3. We want 1 more. So think about counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Down and right and cut in 2. Oh my gosh, it did the same thing like it did up there, didn't it? So down here, let's go ahead and do it on our tens frame real fast. We want 3. So there's 1, 2, 3. And we want 1 more. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 more from 3 is 4. Okay, now we're going to do 9. We need 1 more. So let's go ahead and think about our counting. Because 9, what comes after 9 when we count? 9 what? If you don't know, tens frame. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we're going to do 1 more. So I'm going to put 1 more counter on there. And now we have 10. We have all of them filled in. So that 9, 1 more is 10. 1 and a 0. Good job, guys. Remember, when you want more, when it says 1 more, you put 1 on. When it says 1 less, you take it away. Less means take away, like subtraction, and more means to add, like when we do adding. So I hope you guys had fun, and I will talk to you later. Bye.